As the sun rose over the capital, Brasilia, 1,000 crosses were planted in front of the Brazilian Congress to honor the more than 57,000 people that have so far died of COVID-19 in the country. But it was also the first of a series of demonstrations on Sunday against President Bolsonaro's handling of the pandemic. Groups of protesters in more than 20 countries and in Brazil's main cities called for his resignation. While an unflinching Bolsonaro met with cheering supporters in the state of Minas Gerais without a face mask, despite a court ruling that required him to wear one. But while the overall number of cases in the country keeps rising, a reduction in the number of daily deaths in Rio de Janeiro was enough for the mayor to reopen stores and beauty salons this weekend. But many customers say they remain worried.
I think it should be done step by step. There can be no crowds. Everyone should keep their 2-meter distance. We all know our economy is collapsing and we have to get back to work. But the virus is invisible, so we can only wear our masks.
The coronavirus pandemic continues to wreak havoc in much of Latin America. Even Colombia, that had managed to control the spread of the virus, is experiencing a resurgence of infections after partially reopening the economy. The mayor of the capital, Bogota, is asking President Ivan Duque to reinstate a strict lockdown.
The numbers are overwhelming. Bogota has reached 27,000 cases and around 600 dead. The country has more than 88,000 cases and almost 3,000 deaths. We need to prepare to go back to a strict quarantine.
Staying at home might be the only way to protect a health system reaching a critical state. But something difficult to implement again in this and other countries in Latin America, with a large population working informally, hand to mouth, that needs to be on the streets every day to survive. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera, Bogota.